Today we are going to see about the conservation of water and its importance of water, and how we are going to save the water for our future use. Condensation of water. Today we are going to do a small activity now. Take a glass half filled with water. Wipe the outer surface of the glass with a clean piece of cloth. Add some ice into the water. Wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Observe the changes that take place on the outer surface of the glass. From where do water drops appear on the outer side of the glass? The cold surface of the glass containing icy water cools the air around it, and the water vapor of the air condenses on the surface of the glasses. This process also the result of condensation of water vapor. Natural sources of fresh water. There are 3 types of natural sources of fresh water available on the earth's surface. Surface water, frozen water, and groundwater. Surface water. Water present on the surface of the earth, such as river, lake, pond, stream, or freshwater wetland, is called surface water. Frozen water. Water that is present in the frozen form as polar ice caps and glaciers are called frozen water. A larger portion of water is 68.7% of the total available fresh water is frozen state. Groundwater. Groundwater is the water present beneath the earth's surface in soil. This water is obtained through springs, open wells, tube wells, or hand pumps, etc. The Himalayas. The Himalayas contain ice caps, icebergs, and galleries. 10 of the Asia's largest rivers flow from the Himalayas, and more than 1 billion people's livelihoods depend on those rivers. Water is measured in liter and milliliter. Gallon is also a measure of volume of liquid. 1 gallon is equal to 3.785 liter. Water level in the reservoirs is measured in TMC per feet. Water released from dams is measured in cubic feet per second. Aquatic animals. During winter, water in lakes and ponds in cold countries will be frozen, and a solid layer of ice is formed on the surface of water. Still, aquatic animals live under the ice, do not die. This is because the floating layer of ice acts as a protective coat and does not permit heat to escape from water. So, as the water at the surface alone turns to ice, it is the existence of aquatic animals. Conservation of water. There is no change in the total quantity of water available on the earth. It remains the same, but the water useful for plant, animals, and man is decreasing day by day. It is called scarcity of water. The main reason for water scarcity is population explosion, uneven distribution of rainfall, decline of groundwater table, pollution of water, careless use of water. We should take care to prevent scarcity of water. Otherwise, it is impossible for organism to live on the earth. The only method of preventing scarcity of water is conservation of water. Saving water for the future generations by using water carefully and in the limited way in conservation of water. Method of water conservation. Mainly, two methods can be followed for conservation of water. Water management. Water management consists of the following factors: bringing awareness about the bad effects of throwing waste into the water bodies. And second one is recycling of water by separating the pollutants. Minimizing the use of chemical fertilizers in agriculture. It reduces the pollution of underground water. Controlling deforestation and adapting drip irrigation and sprinklers in irrigation in agriculture. By this way, lesser amount of water can be used for the irrigation. The second one is rainwater harvesting. Direct collection and use of rainwater is called rainwater harvesting. There are two types of rainwater harvesting. First one, collecting water from where it falls. Example, collecting water from the rooftops of the house or buildings. Second one, collecting flowing rainwater. Example, collecting rainwater by constructing ponds with bund. Importance of water. Human body. Our body uses water in all its cells, organs, and tissues to help regulate its temperature and maintain other bodily functions. On an average, the human body requires 2 to 3 liters of water per day for proper functioning. Water helps in digestion of food and remove of toxins from the body. Domestic. Apart from drinking, people use water for many other purposes. These includes clothing, washing clothes, cooking, bathing, washing utensils, keeping house and common places clean, watering plants, etc.